You know what I want to do? You know what I want to do? You know what I want to do? I want to take one of my old projects and make a video with that. Nice, quick, fast one. Let's go do it. I'm GlennNow, and you're watching GlennNow on YouTube. This sucker's going. Just stare at the camera, stare at the camera and smile. Hello. Thank you. That may not make much sense, but let me run through it and I'll show you how I do it. That don't make any sense at all. Now let's try and bring them together. Now let's try to ring them together. Now let's try to ring them together. Now let's try to ring them together. Okay, that's sort of like what I thought. Nothing was going to happen. You need to point that at me. So, this was a 2-day flop project. That's what I mean. I came out here to make a video. This is about as good as it's gonna get. Go to my channel. Go to my channel. Go to my channel. Don't forget, go to my channel. This can wait till tomorrow. I'm going in. Honey, I'm home. Y'all come back now, you hear?